My name is Justin Jackson. I'm from Decatur, Alabama.
My name is George Morris, and I'm from Allentown, Pennsylvania.
My name is Michael Cataldi. I'm from Stony Point, New York.
Torrey Williams, Walk Hill, New York.
My name is John Sawicki. I'm from the McKees Rocks area in Pittsburgh, PA.
Montreal Nance from Madison, Alabama.
My name is Beckerson Marseille. I live in the Bronx.
My name is Melvin Moore. I'm from Tallahassee, Florida.
My name is Chad Barnwell. I'm from Bel Air, Maryland.
My name is Chris. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
My name is Andrew Ryans, and I'm from Elkhart, Indiana.
Kevin Rivera from Reading, PA.
I started my business about 3 months ago, and I wanted to learn more of the business side, how to quote, and how to run the business marketing side. And then also there was an added bonus that also teach you how, different hands-on things.
I decided to join the Detail King seminar this weekend because I do currently have my mobile business. I've been operating for about 2 years now, 2 seasons. I felt it would be necessary to come here to help expand my variety of what I could do. Definitely put me in a better place moving forward in the future.
I decided because I want to open up my own mobile detailing, and instead of just starting myself, I wanted to get a better understanding and to be certified.
I wanted to extend my craftsmanship in detailing, and coming to this school definitely enhanced that.
I chose to join a training seminar because recently I found out I was having my first child, and I'm at a point in my life where I want to build a foundation for him, for my child basically, and for me and my family.
I just wanted to, hold on man.
Sorry, let's start it over again.
I was planning to get into the detailing business, and I was talking to a friend, and it referred me about King Detail, and I went on the computer. When I was searching, I see all the positive feedback, so I decided to come and join.
I decided to choose to attend it because I have a group of guys that I work with, and I wanted to learn more about procedures of the detailing training before I start to, give it out to my guys. So
this training seminar was recommended to me by a friend as a way to gain information to grow my business.
Knowledge to me is everything, so I wanted to learn more. I've been doing it for a while, so to me this was a better experience to try to learn a lot more.
I decided to attend it because I'm starting up my own mobile detailing business, and I wanted a better way of knowing how to start it up, what to go through and what to expect.
I decided to attend the class to further my education skills and knowledge in the detailing industry.
I thought it was very informative. Went it pretty much in depth of what I was looking for. Like I said, the business side, as far as marketing, as far as the different licenses and certificates you needed.
The business class on Friday was very informative. I really appreciated it. It put me on to things that I didn't know that I can do now, that it's going to be very resourceful. It's going to help me grow my business in a bigger way, get myself to be acclimated in certain groups that we talked about on Friday. And yes, it's definitely going to be a major plus for me, yes.
I think the business class on Friday was excellent. It's going to help me to start my own business, take the right steps to begin my mobile detailing, and everything that I needed to help and expand and grow.
The business class was very informative. It taught me a few things that I did not know about, and I'm very grateful for that.
I like the business class a lot because it taught me a lot of things that I didn't know, a lot of different strategies with marketing, with how I sell my services, to the little things to the large things. So it was a great experience to learn from professionals.
I just wanted to gain more knowledge about the detailing and just improve my skills, learn everything I could.
What did you think of the business class on Friday?
The business class, it was great. Learned a lot of things I didn't know, a bunch of avenues to improve the business, make money.
Absolutely. I really learned a lot, specifically on English term that I didn't know about detailing business. So now I'm gonna get into it deeply with the material that you provided me. So it's gonna be great for me.
Yes, I think it'll help me grow my business because of the fact I know how to market my prices for what I do.
Business class was very informative. I think I pulled from the business class ways to expand on other opportunities that detailing brings.
Yeah, definitely. I've learned a lot since Friday. The first day was pretty informative.
It was very informative. I did like it. We went through a lot of things, and I think it's going to help me a lot starting up this business.
I thought it was good. I thought it was very informative, detailed. Yeah, I thought it was good.
It was pretty good. Like I said, we basically got a chance to detail a car from top to bottom, learn different techniques and tricks to make your job easier and more efficient.
The hands-on was very good. It gave me more confidence. It gave me that push to be better and do better, especially when I go back home on the up-and-coming jobs that I have.
I think it was excellent. Got to use machines and tools that I've never used personally, and different types of methods that I've seen methods before, but this is actually giving me a better understanding of auto detail.
Hands-on is always the best way to do things. So doing that, it just helps understand the equipment and the style and the science behind it, and even the art to cleaning.
The hands-on class was great because it was great to be able to demonstrate the jobs I'm going to be able to need to do, and having somebody professional over your shoulder so you can make mistakes and be able to fix those mistakes right there and then take and get better on your craft.
The hands-on, it was great. Got to use a bunch of tools I've never used, a bunch of products that learned a lot of things about the products, what to use, when to use it.
I really like it. What I most like about it is that now I'm gonna know what the right tools, the right equipment to use on the cars that I'm gonna be performing at.
I think the hands-on classes were great because it shows you the procedures and the techniques to use when you approach with different situations that come about.
Hands-on training was good. It put us into situations that we'll actually see in the field and gave us different ideas of how to resolve some of the issues that we would see.
Good, I learned a lot more and a lot of ways around different methods on how to do things, so it was very informative.
They were good. It helped build my confidence for sure. There's things I already knew, but there's a lot of things I didn't know, so it was definitely a confidence booster.
What about the actual hands-on detailing training on both Saturday and Sunday? What do you think of that?
I thought it was again very informative, and like the last gentleman said, it was very it was a confidence booster.
Definitely, because it feels though no matter how long you've been detailing, you always can learn more, and also just the camaraderie of coming out here and meeting new people and different details that you could carry on once you make it back home.
Yes, definitely, especially for the people who are kind of like, not, I want to say ashamed, but kind of scared, to just need that confidence push to get themselves where they need to be.
Absolutely. I think it's definitely a great place to, if you are already in the business or not, to learn and start.
Absolutely.
I would definitely refer somebody. I was actually very surprised to be the only classmate from my area, from this area basically. So seeing that, I'm gonna definitely have to spread the word, because I feel like this is a great way to start your own personal business and to build from the ground up if that's what you're trying to do.
Absolutely. Very informative.
Of course, the same way they refer me to, and I will never regret it, the same way I'm gonna do the same. Refer my friend, family, so they can try.
Absolutely.
Yes, I would.
Hell yeah. I mean, sorry. Yeah, for sure.
I would, definitely depending on their skill set, but I would definitely prefer that they go to this, especially if they're looking to start up their own business.
Sure, I think I would.
while back.